Tired of scrolling through endless Asana projects to find the ones you need right now? In this video, I'm going to show you simple ways to prioritize and move your most important Asana projects to the top, boosting your team's efficiency. Let's dive in. First, let's look at favoriting projects. Locate the project you want to prioritize. Next to the project name, you'll see a star icon. Click that star. When the star turns yellow, it indicates that the project has been added to your favorites. Now, look at the sidebar. Your favorited project is now conveniently located at the top of your sidebar, under the Favorites section. For easy access, this is a quick and easy way to bring your most used projects to the top of your view. Another method for moving projects is to drag and drop them in the sidebar. Simply click and hold the project you want to move. While holding the click, drag the project up or down in the list to your desired location. Release the click to drop the project into its new position. You can use this to manually arrange your projects based on importance or frequency of use. This is a great way to customize the project order to best suit your workflow. So, whether you choose to favorite them or drag and drop them, moving your important projects to the top of Asana will drastically improve your team's focus and save you valuable time. Try these tips out and let me know in the comments which method you prefer. And be sure to subscribe for more Asana hacks to help you master project management.